In today's video, you will learn about the benefits of pumpkin seeds for men. We recently posted a video about how almonds are beneficial for men. Did you watch it? Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, strengthen the immune system, help naturally eliminate intestinal parasites, and make you happier. With the fast-paced lives of today and all the new technological advances, people started to suffer a negative impact on their health and longevity. And men started to show a lot of complaints about their health, like cardiovascular diseases, metabolic diseases, chronic fatigue, inflammatory processes in the prostate, and reduction in sexual potency. The reason is usually a combination of diet, sedentary lifestyle, bad habits, and stress. These factors gradually build up and lead to prostatitis and reduction in reproductive function, from which the most active people suffer. But how can we improve men's health? In most cases, adequate nutrition and exercises are enough to restore their strength. But pumpkin seeds can also help them. Let's see how. Helps with prostate health. Research shows that the properties of pumpkin seed and its oil are beneficial for prostate health and for benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, also known as prostate enlargement. The seeds contain phytosterols that prevent testosterone from turning into dihydrotestosterone, responsible for prostate enlargement, lowers cholesterol and the risk of heart disease. The pumpkin seed oil has high levels of phytosterols, which help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, by reducing its absorption when ingested before meals. Contributes to irritable bowel syndrome. The pumpkin seed oil also helps treat irritable bowel syndrome. It's believed that the high levels of fatty acids in the oil reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. Many people report a reduction in symptoms when ingesting pumpkin seed oil regularly. Aids in the treatment of arthritis. Ingesting pumpkin seed oil benefits joints, and the capsules are a popular supplement for treating arthritis pain. The high levels of antioxidants, fatty acids, and other compounds in pumpkin seed oil are used to reduce joint inflammation in people who suffer from arthritis. Some studies have shown that pumpkin seed oil has the same effects as a famous medication for arthritis, but none of the side effects, such as high lipidic peroxides on the liver. Fights hair loss. It's believed that both prostate enlargement and male pattern baldness result, at least for the most part, from an excess of DHT, dihydrotestosterone hormone, beta-cytosterol, delta-7 sterine, and compounds of pumpkin seed oil reduce the effects of DHT on prostate cells and can help prevent its negative effect on hair follicles. Some people recommend applying pumpkin seed oil directly over the scalp because of its DHT blocking properties. You can also take pumpkin seed oil as a capsule. See how many benefits pumpkin seed oil can bring to your health? And the best part is that it is natural and has no side effects. You can add pumpkin seed oil to your recipes or use it as supplement capsules, whatever method you choose. Just make sure that the oil is cold pressed, okay? Now tell us, do you like pumpkins? Why not start keeping the seeds? If you are a woman, share this video with the men in your life. Dad, son, husband, brother, cousin, friends. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.